Amazing Airsoft, and in this Beats pouch is some of the stuff that I use in a backyard airsoft war. Yes, this is only stuff for backyard airsoft wars. Please listen. Okay. On the side, I have a little hook so I can hook it onto my belt loop. But let's look inside. Okay. Between my feet. And what I've got in here, but there's more, but in here I have a rope on a stick. I can undo this with one hand. Okay. Rope, and how I did this is that I sanded the inside of rope right here, sanded this stick, and I sanded the middle, then put some rope around there, and then did a little bungee, like a little tie, and put it down as tight as it could go, and then I duct taped it, and then it goes all the way over here. Pull that out. Okay. Then I did the same. I duct taped it. Oh, there. I duct taped it and then wrapped it with a little tie. And I've got bungees at the end that will hook onto branches and like grab stuff. But this is for sniping and hiding. This can help you climb up a tree easy. So try it out. It's worked for me. Next is the Leatherman Sidekick. It holds everything I need inside. Take a knife with you. Not to stab people, to use properly. And then this hook I can use if my sling breaks, or I can attach it onto here. Just a minute. 1 second. Okay. Never mind that. Just pretend it's all the way on. But it is not. See, it's not. But it does work. Use it. It works. Like, comment, subscribe. It's Amazing Airsoft.